Today we're in Columbus, Ohio, getting ready for a special event next weekend, and we're making a stop at one of Central Ohio's hidden gems for fresh flowers. Welcome to Doran-Engel. A gem that surprises a lot of first-time visitors is their incredible wholesale floral area that's open to the public. You don't have to own a flower shop or be a professional florist to shop here. Whether you're planning a wedding, hosting a baby shower, decorating for a graduation party, or creating centerpieces for a holiday gathering, you may even be simply picking out flowers to brighten your home. Doran's offers fresh flowers in quantities both large and small. Today we're here choosing flowers for an event coming up next weekend, and it's just amazing to see how many varieties are available. Instead of buying pre-made bouquets, you can mix and match individual flowers to create exactly the look that you're going for. The selection changes throughout the year depending on what's in season around the world. So every visit offers something a little different. Now, let's hear from one of those experts who helps make all of this possible. Hey, Danny, I'm Chrisi, and we are going to be having a client event. I need your help, your expertise. Absolutely. Let's pick out some flowers for my clients to have a fantastic time this weekend making their own bouquets.
Awesome. Let's go see what we've got. Those are fun. They're the family of swamps. That's the biggest one. And every time that you come, it's are potentially different things. Yeah, a lot of stuff are like our staples, like the elderberry or the carnations, roses. But we do try to kind of switch things out. When you go to those, so to come in the wintertime or fall, we'll have the fall ones.
So we're here on Monday for a Tuesday, whether it's more different if I came on a Monday or it's going to be the same restaurant.
It's going to be about the same. The bulk of our stuff comes in on Saturdays. And then we process it all in on Mondays and get it put in water. And then Tuesdays, we have other process and those. And the free bucket stuff, that all comes to Canada. And then we're pricing Tuesday, Thursday, well, that's probably exactly that's what it is. Yes. And then if you ever see something that you don't like color-wise over there, like I can always see, like if you had wanted a different color that was like that, I could have checked this with Canada forever, see if we could get it more things.
Okay. Okay. Well, I think I didn't want to come anytime. What do we have to work with? Let's go around.
Yeah. And then especially once like summer hits and wedding season that you take in, we'll have a lot more special items like ranunculus, fuchsia, hyacinth, poppies,
I love poppies. When do you have the poppies for us?
Poppies are usually summer.
Oh,
yeah. We get
a lot of military.
Yeah.
So then
we do only really get the Icelandic poppies, which are the orange, coral, green ones. Not really, yeah. And then you have like red tongue ones in the mix, but
one of the things that I learned today is that fresh flowers are truly seasonal. Depending on the time of year, you'll find everything from tulips, daffodils, hyacinths, and ranunculus in the spring, to peonies, sunflowers, zinnias, and dahlias throughout the summer, rich chrysanthemums and colorful fall foliage in the autumn, and elegant evergreens, amaryllis, and winter berries during the holiday season. Of course, there are also flowers that are available nearly year-round. Roses remain one of the most popular choices for every occasion. Carnations are incredibly versatile and long-lasting. Gerber daisies happen to be my favorite, add pop of bright color. Hydrangeas create beautiful volume, and lilies provide elegance and fragrance. If you add eucalyptus, it will continue to be one of those most requested greenery options because of its texture and the fresh scent. Something else that's important but often overlooked is the role of filler flowers. These are the smaller flowers and greenery that help tie an arrangement together. Flowers like baby's breath, waxflower, limonium, solidago, statice, and various eucalyptus varieties help soften arrangements, fill the empty spaces, and add texture and create depth. Without them, bouquets can sometimes look sparse. With them, the arrangement feels full, balanced, and professionally designed. If you're wondering how many flowers you'll actually need, a typical hand-tied bouquet often contains somewhere between 15 to 25 stems, depending on the size of the flowers and the style that you're creating. For table centerpieces, you'll usually use fewer stems in each arrangement. So if you're hosting a party for about 20 guests and several tables, you might plan on anywhere from 80 to 150 total stems, along with greenery and filler flowers, depending on how large and full you want each centerpiece to look. One of the reasons that Doran-Engel is able to offer such an incredible selection is because they source flowers from all over the world. Many roses arrive from Ecuador and Colombia, where ideal growing conditions produce large, vibrant blooms. Other flowers may come from California, Florida, Canada, the Netherlands, South America, or even right here in Ohio when they're in season. By sourcing from multiple regions, Doran-Engel is able to keep the fresh flowers available nearly every week of the year. Whether you're decorating for a wedding, planning a fundraiser, celebrating a birthday, or just bringing home a little color for your kitchen table, shopping for flowers this way gives you more options, better variety, and the opportunity to create something that's uniquely yours. As for us, our flowers are picked, our colors are chosen, and we're officially ready for our party next weekend. I'm Chrisi Hagan, and this is Living in Columbus and Central Ohio. If you enjoy discovering local businesses, hidden gems, great places to shop, and everything that makes Central Ohio such a wonderful place to live, be sure to subscribe and join me for the next adventure.